Look, people, something's going on in heaven. There's like a really weird freaking noise. Oh my God, looky, it's just really weird. Looky, there's this like this weird trumpet sound. I just heard this now. Oh my God, seriously. Can you see it? Can you hear the noise? Listen. Holy crap. Whoa. I think God's trying to warn us. You hear that trumpet sound? That's a loud, very loud noise. Did you hear it? Oh my goodness. Can you still hear it? Listen, it's still happening. He's mad. That is really freaking strange, huh? He's like really mad or something. You hear it? I don't know if you can hear it over there, Mom, but I can hear it. Whoa, that's really freaking weird. I think he's coming soon. I've never heard that in my life.